all over like that. So pretty. So as you can see, we're gonna marble the chocolate with the kisses. I'm gonna melt them. You can put a little bit here. Make sure to have it everywhere. As the kisses will melt, no worries, if there's a little hole in the middle, it will be filled with the kisses. And we're gonna go to the oven to melt everything. And we're gonna put our chocolate in the oven, really low temperature, just to melt our kisses. So my hershey's are now all melted. Perfect. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna use a candy cane or toothpick or anything you have at home to marble. So as you can see, my chocolate is a little bit thick. That's the texture that we need. Perfect. Really pretty. We're gonna take a Ziploc bag and we're gonna dip the bag directly into the chocolate, just like that. We're gonna flip it and we're gonna do the same. Really nice. Make sure to have chocolate all over the bag. It's really important to have a thick texture. We're gonna go to another plaque right there and we're gonna fill the bag with all the Hershey's that we have. Super nice. Make sure that the bag it's well, and we're gonna put it directly in the fridge to set. We're just gonna let our little bag here in the freezer until it's hard. I'm just gonna take out all the kisses that we have inside. And we're gonna take out really carefully the bag. Make sure to don't break everything you just made with the chocolate. We're gonna leave everything here on the side and move on with the bottle. So I have a little bottle here of water and we're gonna take like this the cake pop to make sure that we have the entire bottle filled with the dough. Perfect. Now it's perfect. We're gonna put it in the freezer. So we're gonna put our cake pop directly in the fridge. So we have the cake pop here now straight out of the freezer. I'm just gonna hand mold it. Perfect. And with a large pick, I'm just gonna take it like this and we're gonna dip it into chocolate. So that is white chocolate that I color in red. Perfect. Just take out the chocolate just like this and directly on my little plate. We're gonna put her little leg just like that, her little leg just like that. One and two. His little belt. We're gonna put his little head like this. His little beanie. Perfect. And with some whipped cream, we're just gonna pipe a little beer. And we're gonna go straight to the cake. So now we're ready for the big finale. So I'm just gonna add some cream inside my chocolate here. We're gonna add some cake also, so you can fully fill the chocolate here, more here, and a tiny bit more right there. Perfect. And we are finished with cream. So I'm gonna put cream all over the top here. Perfect. We're gonna add some crushed peppermint at the top, a little bit of crunch and also nice taste. We're gonna put a little center right in the top, just like this. It is really heavy. A little Christmas present to finish, and voila, the bag is full of presents. Merry Christmas!